In this video, I'll show you how you can go to next line while typing messages in ClickUp. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so if you go ahead and write a message in ClickUp, like for instance, hello, and then press on enter, you'll see this will not go to the next line, but instead it will send the message. To go to the next line, go ahead and just write your message, and instead of hitting enter, go ahead and press shift key and then enter, and that will take you to the next line. So as long as you press enter while pressing down shift key, it will not send the message, but instead it will go to next line in ClickUp. So that's how you can go to next line in ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.